Okay guys, I thought we'd finish filming for the day. Welcome back to another video. We've just found a couple of hotels you've been asking for. There's obviously the Winners Bar. That's been shut for a while now. Okay, just round the corner, here's Los ALAMOS.
Sound like a true Spanish person, that.
Yeah, that's not anymore. Yeah, I think I'll stick with what I said. Right down by, not far out of town. Okay guys, I don't think I'm going to be able to do a lot here. The gate over there, we're going to have a look, see if we can see anything. I don't know if the apartment's behind it there, or is that a building from the other side, maybe.
I don't know. I think that might be part of the outside there.
I've not actually done this one before, so I'm going to have a look. Always the internet there and there. I'm going to have a look on there, print a couple of pictures. Yes, there's a pool. I don't know if you're going to be upstairs, guys. Just pull you down a bit. Right. There's a pool there, guys. I'll see if I can find, I'll see if I can find one on the internet.
Just think that's the way down to one the Grand Car Park, but I mean, it looks a bit weird.
Yeah, you get your parking in here, down the side of the hotel. Usually underground in Spain. Keep all the sun off it. And there's the hotel. I think it's about 4 stories altogether. It's not a great big one. As usual, if you stop there guys, let me know what it's like. Looks nice from the outside. You've got the Diplomat next door. There's the entrance. We've all got the paper on now. I think it's just to keep the sun out and stop people nosing in, I suppose. Well, the hotel's not allowed to open, or isn't open. That's that one. The Diplomat, I think, may still be open. See if we can find anything out about that, Marcus. Have a look round in a minute. Down the side of the Diplomat. Might as well do it because it's right next door. Try and give you an overall view of it. How we do. Again, not a very, it's a little bit taller than the other one, but it's still not a very tall hotel. I don't know if they've got some restrictions because they're near a town, so high they can build, probably, I would have thought. There's the entrance. I'm not sure whether it is open or not. It was open a couple of months back. Come have a look. Hasn't got any paper up, so I should imagine it's open. Lovely gardens again. There we go, a bit low on that. That's a Diplomat for you. Right. Uncle Ped's 2. I don't know if it's the original one actually. Look at it, we're so in. That's to stop back and go straight into the picture. Oh, you want to be in picture?
Hello. I was just looking at the damage that's the harbour sand's done all over the.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, guys.
All over the floor.
What are you naming it to, Marcus? There you go, guys. Like and subscribe. That's how much sun came over. Table was covered in it. Just that will be back open again soon. Actually didn't know this was an Uncle Ped's until just before Christmas, I think it was. Oh, it's Uncle Ped's town. So I'll probably do the same as the other Uncle Ped's. Obviously the other Uncle Ped's is over by the Flash. Further down the road than that. Alright guys, I'm going to leave the video here. Like and subscribe as normal. We're nearly getting up to the 3,000 now, so everyone that subscribed, I really appreciate. I appreciate all you guys for subscribing. Okay then, we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.